In this micro-lecture, we'll explore some different ideas for topic layouts, so you can see some of the ideas from the Tips for Structuring Your Topics video in practice. In this template, we'll start each topic with a banner image that corresponds to that particular topic. There is an overview heading. This uses a page resource to break the overview up into the topic's key questions, learning outcomes, and tasks. This content is presented using books. Sometimes it's a good idea to break your content into 3 or 4 different areas so that your books aren't so overwhelming. Breaking the content up can also provide a natural pausing point for students who might be working during different timeframes. The content in this example is followed by additional learning activities. The topic is wrapped up with a review and look ahead section. In this template, the topic starts with an overview video followed by the goals and a small to-do list. The content is presented in readings and videos. The readings are listed out in a Read section, and the videos are embedded directly onto the page under a Watch heading. Again, the learning activities follow the content piece. In this example, the topic starts with a banner image, goals, and a to-do list. This content is presented in books, but the visual layout of the page is a little different. This template works well for topics that can be broken down into smaller areas of focus. In this template, we have changed the book visibility settings to available but not shown on course page. This allows the book to be seen by students if you provide a link to it. As a teacher, we can see the book, but as a student, it will not be visible unless you click on the link into that activity. In the fourth example, the overview is written out with the topic's big ideas and a short to-do list. There is a section for an optional Zoom session, though you could use something like this if you are teaching remotely as well. This could also be a link to a Zoom recording if you are posting those to your shell. There is a reading section where the readings would be listed. The next section, Create, shows how you might write the project directions in a page and write the submission directions in the actual assignment activity. This topic is wrapped up with a discussion forum. These templates aren't one size fits all. Actually, it will be best to mix and match some of the ideas to figure out a topic template that works best for you and your content. However, these layouts are a good starting place if you're looking for some ideas on how to best present your content in your course shell.